Every time I'm thinking gonna cook something, I always think about spicy, salty, sweet, and sour, all four flavors put together. That is Thai food to me. I love Barilla angel hair pasta. I grew up eating it when I was 9 years old. Everyone loves Barilla angel hair in Thailand. The pasta thin and very authentic. This pasta works perfect with any Thai flavor. It's light and delicate and pick up the salt really well. This is seafood drunken noodle. I stir fry with baby squid, shrimp, Thai basil, green peppercorn, Thai chili pepper, garlic, lime leaf, carrot, and young corn. This is clear soup with Barilla mini penny pasta. I make with scrap from ground pork using seasoning, carrots, and cabbage. The Barilla mini penny pasta is perfect for the soup. It holds the perfect texture and also it don't get mushy. It's light and the noodles so tiny and authentic. Another cut that won't work with this dish at your restaurant include panali cut or campanale. The end I make garlic, chili oil, and baby celery with little pinch of white pepper.